how to record your desktop audio in OBS Studio. So the first thing you need to do is click on File in the top navigation and click on Settings. Then select Output from the left hand side and click on the Recording tab. Now make sure your output mode is set to Advanced and then scroll down to the audio track. Now if you just want to capture your desktop audio, then make sure one track is selected. If you want to capture your desktop audio and also another soundtrack, so this could be your microphone or some kind of gameplay, then you want to go and select 2 tracks. Now you can of course add more than 2 tracks depending on how many audio devices you want to capture. So I'm just going to leave this as 2 and press apply and OK. Next thing you need to do is come down to the audio mixer and click on the 3 vertical dots next to one of these devices. Then click on Advanced Audio Properties, and from here you'll see all of the devices that are currently being recorded. Now next to desktop audio, go and select track number 1. If you're also recording a secondary device, then you want to go and allocate this to a different track. So for my microphone, I'm going to uncheck number 1 and assign this to track number 2, and then we can close out of this window. Make sure both of the sliders are turned up for the tracks that you want to go and record, and then you could just press on Start Recording. And that's it guys. If you did find this video helpful, then let me know in the comments and I'll see you in the next one.